Hi YouTube, I'm Maltong, local and international SEO consultant and founder of SEODEVS.com. This is part 3 in the Page Speed for White Hat SEO tutorial. In today's video we will concentrate on the setup of our server software, including Nginx, PHP 7.1 FPM or PHP 7 if you prefer, a Percona database and Varnish with HTTP access. We will run through the full procedure step by step. Also, to save you time, I've written the full instructions along with the code so you can copy and paste with ease. The link for this can be found in the description below. Also guys, if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you like to keep up to date with future SEO guides and tutorials from me, then hit the subscribe button below and the little bell icon next to it. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay guys, if you click the link in the description, this will take you to the full tutorial on my website. It's from here where we will copy and paste the code and place this into Putty. So we will open up Putty now, and it's logged in already, and we'll just scroll down. You can read all this if you want to, it's up to you. But the first piece of code is here, and this will create the sources required for Putty. Which one of them is Python, and then you've got the repositories for PHP 7.1. So we'll copy that into Putty and hit enter. Now we'll copy the next piece of code. We will enter this by right clicking and click enter. Click enter again on this. Now we will add the repos for Percona. Right click, enter. We will do the same again. There's another repo. Need to add to the source list. Click enter. Now we'll update the source list with apt-get update. Right click and enter. Next thing we will be doing is installing all of the software. I've put them all together in a little easy script, what makes it nice and simple for everyone. Just make sure that you don't copy the last empty space at the end. We copy this, right click, and enter. During this process we will be asked to enter a password for Percona. So when it comes up, just enter a password. Make sure not to use any special characters, as MySQL doesn't like special characters too much. Put your password in and then re-enter your password. Now it will take a few minutes for this to complete. I will speed this up for the sake of this video. Okay guys, once that's completed, we will scroll down to the next piece of code. This code will create our directory where our website will live within our server. We'll copy the code from there, make sure that you change it from hobbydabber.com and map your own domain. So right click, enter. Next we will set the user. Right click that, make sure you change it from hobbydabber.com to match your own domain again. Hit enter. And we'll set the permissions to 755 for our www directory. Hit enter. Now copy the code to create a simple index.php file. Remember again, change hobbydabber.com to match your domain. Right click enter. Now we will copy the HTML code. It doesn't matter, you can leave, it's up to you. You can leave hobbydabber.com in, it's totally up to you. This file will be getting deleted. So Control and X, Y, enter, and that saves the file. Next we will create the server block for Nginx. So we copy this. Remember, change the hobbydabber.com to your domain. Hit enter, and we will copy the Nginx file from here, right click to paste, Control and X, Y, enter. That will save our file for us. The next step is to enable Nginx file config. Change hobbydeveloper.com again, right click and enter. Now we will change the hash bucket size. So just copy this and use the arrows to scroll down until you find hash bucket size 64 there. The hash sign means that it's disabled. To enable it, just delete the hash sign. Control and X, Y, enter. Next we will change our default. We need to change the listen ports from 80 to 8080. So copy the code from here, right click, enter, scroll down using the arrows, go to listen 8080 and put 80. There we go. Control and X, Y, enter. Next we will set up our server certificates, which we will get from Cloudflare. But first of all we will copy the code from there, right click, hit enter. Now we will create the actual certificate itself. Copy the code from my website, copy, right click, enter. Now we go over to Cloudflare, log into Cloudflare and make sure it's on the right server. Go over to crypto, scroll down, you'll see origin certificates. Click on create certificate. We will leave all these options as they are. Click next. Now we will get our certificate. So you copy from here, go back over to Putty and right click. Press Control and X, Y, enter. Now we will create the key. Just find the code. There it is. We'll copy this code here. Right click, enter. We'll create our new key file. Now we need to go over to Cloudflare, scroll down and copy our key. Copy that, paste that into Putty, Control and X, Y, enter. Now we'll just check our Nginx config, make sure that's all working good. As you can see there, it says syntax OK, the config is all OK. So that's working as it should do. Now we'll restart Nginx. There we go. Now we will set up Varnish. Just before we set up Varnish, so I did forget to show you on the certificate that we need to press OK, but first change Apache HTTPS to Nginx. Click OK. Now let's go back to the website. Now we'll do Varnish, copy the code from here. This will create our custom VCL file. Right click, enter. Now we'll paste the code from here. Copy that, right click, and Control and X, Y, enter. And that saved that for us. Now we'll edit the default VCL file. What we need to do is delete all the code from here. So we press Alt and A, that marks it. We let go of all the keys now, just press the down arrow. This highlights everything. Now press Control and K, that deletes everything. Now we'll copy the code from here. Copy and paste that into Putty. Press Control and X, Y, enter. Save it. Next we'll create a file and copy the code from here. Copy, right click in here, Control and X, Y, enter. Now we reload our daemon services. That done. Now we'll restart Varnish. Varnish is restarted successfully. Restart Nginx. And that works okay. Now we will test that everything works okay. We'll do our localhost HTTP. As you can see, Varnish came up, the age is 0. As you can see, the age is 0. We will do the same code again, just to show you that Varnish is actually working. It shows age 14 now, means it's 14 seconds old. Okay guys, that concludes our video for today on how to improve SEO by speeding up your page load times. The link for the full SEO tutorial can be found in the description below, along with my Facebook and Twitter accounts. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you'd like to see more of my videos, then remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell button next to it, so you get notifications. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time, I bid you all a good day.